In today's video, I'm thrilled to guide you through creating a nonprofit organization in Michigan using busy.com. Let's dive in. Once you open busy.com, you're ready to kick off your business journey immediately. Select your entity type, in this case, a nonprofit, and the state, which is Michigan for us. Next, you'll be taken to the package plans. The basic package is free, except for a $20 state fee, and it takes 4 weeks to process. This includes preparing and filing the Articles of Organization, a free first-year registered agent service, an online access dashboard, and an offer for a business banking account. Optional add-ons include expedited filing for $50, business contract templates for $150, an EIN business tax number for $70, and corporate bylaws for $30. The recommended standard package costs $199 plus a $20 state fee and is also processed within 4 weeks. It includes everything from the basic package plus business contract templates, an EIN business tax number, corporate bylaws, lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone and email support, and an online access dashboard. The premium package costs $299 plus a $20 state fee, with a processing time of just 5 days. It includes everything from the standard package, along with a domain name and business email, a free first-year business phone number, and a business tax consultation. After selecting a package, you'll provide information about your organization, including its name, designator, and business purpose. You'll then decide whether your nonprofit should have members. Nonprofit corporations can choose to have a formal membership structure where members participate in the organization's affairs. However, smaller nonprofits often opt out to avoid administrative burdens and costs. Regardless, your nonprofit will have directors and officers managing operations. Next, choose your filing time. In Michigan, the typical state filing time is 4 weeks, but you can opt for expedited 5-day filing for an additional $50 if needed. Provide the name of the person responsible for the order who Busy may contact for additional information. Decide whether to use a private virtual mail address for an additional $29 per month or your own address. Using a virtual address service is recommended by Busy to maintain personal privacy, as the state of Michigan makes both business and personal addresses public. Benefits include keeping your personal address confidential, receiving real-time mail notifications, maintaining a physical presence without being there, and permanent digital access to your mail anywhere. You may encounter an upsell offering the premium service package, which you can accept or skip. You'll need to provide director information for your organization. Michigan requires 3 directors. After providing their information, appoint the officers of your nonprofit, including president/CEO, secretary, and treasurer. Choosing a vice president is optional. Next, choose a registered agent. In Michigan, a corporation must appoint a registered agent. Busy offers a free first year of registered agent service, valued at $119, with every new business formation order. Typical documents received include service of process and state correspondence. Next, provide your employer identification number for tax purposes. You can submit this by sharing your Social Security number or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. Note that obtaining an EIN with an ITIN may take up to 12 weeks. Enter the physical street address, which is required by the IRS to issue an EIN. A P.O. box cannot be used, but this address will not be public. Another upsell may appear, offering to help you open a new small business account over the phone with a specialist or online. Choose your preference and click Next. Next, decide if you want a free tax strategy consultation. This consultation provides insights into important tax deductions and IRS tax classifications for your new business. It is free and carries no obligation. You'll learn how your corporation is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS tax election, commonly missed tax deductions, business bookkeeping requirements, ways to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, and strategies to lower self-employment taxes. Finally, you'll see an order summary for your nonprofit. Review all the information carefully to ensure it is correct. To complete the process, pay for your filing using PayPal or a credit card. And that's it. That's how you create a nonprofit organization in Michigan through busy.com.